What's up, everybody? Certified early bird break 41, 46. We're full dice roll. We're going 5 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Colts up top. Bills at the bottom. Five times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, 5 here and 5 here as well. Scott Burns up top, Chris Kostek at the bottom. Again, guys, this is break 41, 46. Sort them out. Print it. And we rip, guys. Good luck. Again, guys, the next couple breaks are full as well. Gonna get those ripped. Just catching up on a couple orders, guys, and then we're ripping this. Jason's good on his chatter. Spencer Alick, just let me know how you sent for your chatter drop, guys. Good luck here. You guys want to take gold standards on the site, guys? Gold standards on the site. That's break 3952. 3952. Take 2 spots in that break, and I'll give you a pull from the pull box. Again, 3952. It's gold standard. Take 2 in that break. I'll give you a pull from the pull box. There is a $500 break credit voucher in that pull box. Somebody will hit that tonight. So take 2 in 3952. Take 2 spots there, and you'll get a pull. Again, guys, we still have 3 or 4 more breaks that are completely sold out. They are full, ready to rip. Be patient. We'll get right to them. Take those spots in 3952 gold standard. I think we just have 2 boxes left in-house, guys. So we're cleaning up a lot of stuff. Got a bunch of new product coming in. That's why you'll see the deals on the site. Take full advantage of them. Let me get some more sleeves. I'm going to put another Sterling up on the site at some point. Might even put a gilded chatter drop. We got a few boxes of gilded. Devontae Smith to 149. Certified Stars of Diggs to 299. Chase Brown on the new generation. Again, take 3952. Take 2 spots there. Joe Burrow on the gold team. New generation patch to 249. Sam Laporta. Detroit. And Stephen Hallman. Certified Stars of C.J. Stroud. He's balling out. 3952, Cody. Gold standard. Take 2 there and you'll get a pull. I'm going to be giving a lot of pulls away tonight, guys, so be prepared. Michael Wilson to 199 Cardinals. And there is a $500 break credit voucher in there. I put it in there on live stream right when we went live. Gold team of Myles Garrett. Travis Kelce, 21 out of 50. Chiefs. So, Damo scared me. Certified stars of Chase Young. Or I'm sorry, Bryce Young. Is it over?
Yeah.
Missed it?
Yeah. Went for 41.50.
Yeah.
Like 3,900 in there. It was sitting at 35 like the last 5 seconds and then jumped.
People was waiting, wasn't it?
I couldn't get another bid in quick enough.
Bryce Young, Franchise Foundations, Carolina. This guy's all over. Chase Brown, freshman fabric to $3.99 Cincy. The only one you was bidding on?
What's that?
It's the only one you was looking
Yeah,
at?
that's what I want to see.
149 Mark Andrews. Mirror Pink, Treylon Burks, 42 out of 75 Titans. Last little stack. Immortals of Jim Kelly. Tyler Scott to $3.99 Bears. Steelers won today?
Yeah.
Another one.
They held on to beat the Packers.
That division's all pretty close.
They said if it would have ended today, all 4 would have made the playoffs.
Recap: Tyler Scott, Mark Andrews, Burks, Young, Chase Brown, Kelce, Young, Wilson, Stroud, Laporta, and Chase Brown to $2.99. That is the break, guys. I was the first certified bird. Thanks for the fill.